Good morning, fellow explorers. Today we're diving in the UK. We're diving in a place called 8 Acres up near Kingston upon Hull. Right, we're here at the dive site in North Cave. It's 8 Acres, 8 Acres Lake in North Cave. We're here with Stella Dive Centre, doing my full face course, so then I can be able to use my full face when we go to the Red Sea, which will be on the next video. Yep, I'll introduce you to my buddies, and meanwhile I'll just show you where we're going to be diving. It looks a bit cold. We've picked a nice day for it, but it looks a bit cold in there, so been advised 7mm wetsuit. Never done that one before. Yeah, this is my dive buddy Ian. Steve, you'll see Steve knocking around somewhere. I think he's just gone to a little boy's room. Ian is with me to finish my full face course, and maybe the next video you'll see I'll be in the Red Sea with my full face on.
As you can see, it's a little bit murky down here. A little bit cold. Do apologise for breathing a little bit heavy. I've got to sort of like speak between breaths. I'll try and control my breathing, slow it down a little bit. The first thing I notice about the full face is it's virtually impossible to flood. Even sticking your fingers into the seal at the side, I can't get water in the mask. The second is the visibility. Wow, the peripheral is amazing. Looks like Ian's stopping for coffee. We've got Ian in front and Steve behind, both wearing full face like myself. Looks like Steve wants to go a bit deeper. Oh, it's really getting a bit murky down here. Now it's kicking the bottom up. Ian's indicating to go back up again. I think it's getting a little bit too murky. Ian's been here before. Looks like he knows exactly where he's going. Oh, here we go. Some sort of pipe work. Yes, following him in. Test the buoyancy. careful to not hit the tank on the top. Hey, this is quite cool. Unbelievable. Full face mask. Game changer. Yeah, full face mask. Game changer. If you've enjoyed my video, hit the like button and subscribe to join me for new adventures.